Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Regions Bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably wondering why I'm talking about a bank. Well, the reason is that I recently had a question from a viewer asking me if Regions is a bank in the USA. And I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it to answer that question and provide some other information about Regions Bank. So, let's get started. What is Regions Bank? Regions Bank is a regional bank headquartered in Birmingham, Alabama. It was founded in 1971 and now has over 1,800 branches in 16 states across the United States. Regions Bank is a member of the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which means that your deposits are insured up to $250,000. 1. What services does Regions Bank offer? Regions Bank offers a wide variety of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, home equity loans, auto loans, business banking, wealth management. Regions Bank also offers a number of online and mobile banking services, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Is Regions Bank a good bank? Regions Bank is a well-respected bank with a good reputation. It has a strong financial rating and is known for its customer service. However, it's important to note that Regions Bank is not the only bank out there. There are many other great banks to choose from, so it's important to do your research and compare different banks before choosing one. How can I open a bank account with Regions Bank? If you're interested in opening a bank account with Regions Bank, you can do so online or in person at one of their branches. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and social security number. What are the pros and cons of Regions Bank? Pros: good reputation, strong financial rating, wide variety of banking services, online and mobile banking, good customer service. Cons: not the largest bank in the U.S. May not be available in all areas. So, there you have it. That's a brief overview of Regions Bank. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Regions Bank.